Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Beacons AI Pro account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cancel your Beacons Pro paid subscription? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel your Beacons paid subscription anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, if you don't manage your software expenses, it can kind of get out of hand, and maybe you're not using your Beacons AI at this time. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Beacons AI account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Beacons account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and cancel your paid subscription, here on the bottom left, you're going to see your profile icon. Click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this drop-down menu, and you want to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to be in the account settings for your Beacons AI account. In order to cancel your paid subscription, up here on the top, you see these 5 options. Click on billing. Okay, once you see billing, you're going to see the paid subscription plan that you're on. You can see I'm on the Creator Pro. And then in order to cancel it, just click on the little arrow next to it. Okay, next they're going to ask you, are you sure you want to go ahead and cancel your paid subscription? If so, click on cancel here at the bottom. Once you do that, they let you know that once you cancel, you're going to lose access to the premium features. If you're okay with that, click on confirm. I'm not going to do that because I'm still using my Beacons AI Pro account. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to cancel your Beacons paid subscription, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.